manipulation pioneers.
We know that when you saw the title, the first thing that came to your mind was money. Sure, for a lot of women, that might be true, but I'm here to give you a different perspective. Let's talk about what really matters to women who are genuine, respect themselves, and aren't just looking to use you. Ready to dive in? First dates and initial meetings are super important because they give away a lot about the person you're meeting. So what do women look at first when they see a guy? Every woman might focus on different things, but there are some common details. Here are 7 critical things women notice first about men. 1. Hands and nails. Dirty nails? No way, man. That's a major turn-off right away. How you take care of your nails, their length and whether they're neatly trimmed, matters a lot. Women usually like clean, short nails. They also pay a lot of attention to your hands and the gestures you make. Keep your hands clean and don't overdo the gestures. Alright? Don't be like you're performing Hamlet with your hands, just be relaxed. 2. Body odor. This one's not visible, but it's a huge deal. Women will definitely notice how you smell. Keep your body odor in check. If you've just worked out, take a quick shower before heading out. You don't want her backing away from you before you even start talking, right? Use some deodorant and a bit of cologne, but don't overdo it. You don't want to smell like you took a bath in it. Natural is good. 3. Shoes. Women look at your shoes. Yep, they can tell a lot about your cleanliness from your shoes. Muddy, dirty shoes are a big no. Wear clean, stylish shoes. Cleanliness is key, but style matters too. You don't want to show up looking like you just ran through a field to get to the date. 4. Posture. You don't want to come off as insecure, right? When you're talking to someone new, don't slouch or let your shoulders droop. Pay attention to your posture and show some confidence. Slouching makes it look like life's beating you down. Stand up straight, keep your head up, and look confident. Confidence is attractive. Remember that. 5. Hair. Who's going to say yes to dandruff? Your hair can be short or long, but it needs to be clean and well maintained. Style and cleanliness are important here too. Wash your hair, comb it, and get rid of any dandruff. And don't go overboard styling it like you're the star of a small town wedding. Be natural. Be stylish. 6. Teeth. Yellow teeth are a big turn-off. If you had coffee before the date, pop a mint or chew some gum. Make sure you brush your teeth before heading out. Oral hygiene isn't a one-time thing. It's a routine. A smile can change the world, but not if your teeth are yellow. Take good care of your teeth. It's not just about looks, it's about health too. 7. Style of dressing. Whatever style you go for, make sure it's coordinated and fits well. Your clothes should fit your body. This shows you respect yourself enough to care about your appearance. Make sure your clothes fit you well. You don't want to look like you just escaped from a circus with clothes that are too big or too small. Find your style and stick to it, but always stay clean and tidy. Alright folks, if you pay attention to these 7 critical details, you'll make a great first impression. The takeaway here is that a little care and attention can go a long way. Remember, women notice the details. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.